So this is my dad's old toolbox, and as you can see, it's not exactly in tip-top condition right now. Sags and comes right out. So in this video, I'm going to be kind of refurbishing this as a little present to my dad. So these drawers have these little tabs which stop the track from coming out. So to get the track out, you just gotta depress the tab. And it's not spring loaded, so it'll just stay in place. And here's the tab, and then here's what it gets caught on. Right here. And then on the cabinet itself, there's something that's similar, where you just depress the tab through this little hole right here. Another thing that I didn't mention is that there's these old tool pads. That's just kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a foamy type material, and these smell so bad it makes all the tools reek in there, so I'm going to be replacing this as well. The rails have this, it looks like old grease and just sawdust and just grime in here. So I'm just gonna clean one of these and then do the rest off of camera. That wasn't that bad, but hopefully it'll slide a bit smoother now. So I just put the base of the cabinet on, and I found that this caster is missing a bolt, and so is this one. So that's probably why I was having such a hard time pushing it across the shop. So right now I'm going to take all the casters off, and then clean up the bottom, and then throw the casters back on once they're clean and, you know, everything's nice and pretty. Cracky. did buy this cobalt draw liner, but I was able to get away with just washing these mats, and you know, the smell just kind of went away. So I think I'm just going to stick with this for now, and then in the future if I need to upgrade to that, it'll just be lying around. Dope. So I just finished refurbishing this tool chest for my dad. It was his father's, so my grandfather. When we first got this from one of our friends, I asked him if we could just throw all the tools in here, but he said that this had sentimental value to him, so that's why I decided to clean it up. As you can see, the drawers open significantly better, and there are these labels on them for like items, chisels, nail punches, and then files in the corner. Fixed up the hinge up here, and fixed up this door. Okay, well, most of the time the door works. Other than that, there's not much else to say. It came out better than I thought it would have, especially with that car polish that I put on top of it. And I'm pretty happy with it. I'm sure my dad's gonna be happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed.